The LNER Class A4 number 4902 Seagull was one of the 35 iconic streamlined Pacific steam locomotives designed by Sir Nigel Gresley. While its sister Mallard claimed the world speed record, Seagull was technically superior to most of the class at birth and played a pivotal role in the famous 1948 locomotive exchange trials. 1. Key technical specifications. Unlike the majority of the A4 class, which were originally built with single chimneys, Seagull was one of only 4, alongside Mallard, Capercaillie, and Peregrine, to be built from new with a double calchap chimney and blast pipe. This allowed the engine to breathe better, significantly improving efficiency and high-speed performance. Feature. Detail. Designer. Sir Nigel Gresley. Wheel arrangement. 462 Pacific. Built June 1938 at Doncaster Works. Cylinders. 3, 18.5 in × 26 in. Boiler pressure, 250 psi. Tractive effort, 35,455 lbf. 2. The 1948 Locomotive Exchange Trials. One of Seagull's most famous moments came after the nationalization of Britain's railways. Renumbered as 60,033, it was selected to represent the Eastern region in the 1948 trials. These trials pitted the best locomotives from the Big Four, LNER, LMS, GW, and SR, against each other on unfamiliar tracks. The mission Seagull was sent to the Great Western Railway, GWR, main line to run between London Paddington and Plymouth. Performance. While the GWR locomotives, built for the steep South Devon banks, held their ground, Seagull performed exceptionally well, proving to be more efficient than many of its rivals and even outperforming Mallard in certain trial categories. 3. Service life and renumbering. Seagull wore several outfits during its 24-year career. LNER Garter Blue, 4902. Its original most famous livery with stainless steel trim and side valances. Wartime Black, 4,902/33. Painted black for camouflage and to save on maintenance during World War II. Its side valances were removed to allow easier access to the machinery. BR Express Passenger Blue, 60,033. The early British Railway standard. BR Brunswick Green, 60,033. Its final livery until retirement. 4. Retirement and legacy. Seagull was based primarily at the King's Cross Top Shed for most of its life, hauling express trains like the Flying Scotsman and the Elizabethan. Unfortunately, unlike 6 of its sisters, including Mallard and Sir Nigel Gresley, Seagull was not preserved. It was withdrawn from service in December 1962 as diesel Deltics took over the East Coast Main Line and was scrapped at Doncaster Works in 1963. Today, it lives on primarily through high-end scale models by companies like Hornby and Dapple.